Ever had those days where everything seems to go wrong in the garden? That's what happened with our butternut seed. A power cut threw off our irrigation schedule, and some of the seeds didn't make it. We didn't have butternut seed to replant. We have 174 plants here, but on the ground we have put 220. Some of the plants are wilting, and I don't know why they are wilting. What's the problem? Maybe if you know, please help us, help me, so that I know what is happening. This is my first time doing butternut. This plant is wilting. I don't know why, but some of the plants are so healthy. Most of them, in fact, are very healthy. Most of them are very healthy. The variety of the butternut is called Waltham Plus. So look at this. That's Waltham Plus, and it's 25 grams. Let me put it back. Look at this. We have some carrots, and it's also Avanos. And Waltham Plus is an Avanos seed. So guys, let's keep on moving. Let's keep on moving. Touring a garden or touring a field. Here in my language we call it kumema munda. So let's memorizing a field. Let's memorizing our garden. Look at this. A healthy pumpkin plant, as you can see guys, it's here. Very soon we are going to harvest some pumpkin leaves so that we can eat. And there's cowpeas plant here. Hi guys, welcome back to our backyard garden. Guys, today I'm going to walk with you in this small garden of ours so that you can see the crops that we have in this garden. I uploaded a video some time back and I was showing you guys that time we were planting maize, green maize in this garden. As you can see guys, today here there's green maize that you see, and this is our first crop that you see this side. If you compare it with this crop that is here, this one is still small and is growing fast, and this crop is also growing fast. This green maize variety is called K2 PGS65. It's a medium maturity. Days to maturity is 130 to 140 days. So after that, those days we are going to harvest, and our plan is to sell some maize, and we are going to keep some maize for ourselves. We want to produce our own mealie meal here. We don't want to buy from the shops. So that's it guys. So guys, my name is She Africa, ndiri mukunda we Africa, and Mukunda means the daughter, and I am the daughter of Africa. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. When we plant maize, what we do is mostly we mix maize seed and pumpkin seed. We mix them together, then we start planting so that we can have some pumpkin plants that will grow together with green maize. That's what we usually do here. So let me show you guys what we have in this garden. Let's tour our garden. This is a pumpkin plant, and another pumpkin plant is here. It's growing. Yes, we have to move around this garden. That's it. Look at this guys, we have an avocado tree here full of avocados. Wow, look at this. These are yummy. Anona kama avo edu guys. Look at that. full of avocados. Yes, that's it. That's our garden, guys, that you see. And this second crop is also growing fast. Look at this, guys. Do you see? It's a cowpeas. Another cowpeas is here. I hope we have many of these so that we can make dried cowpeas vegetable. We like that. That is munyemba. If you know munyemba, I hope we'll be able to dry munyemba from these. From the cowpeas. I'm happy, guys, to see that. Look at this. This is a big potato. Look at this. I'm going to pick this so that I can make some chips from that. Oh, guys, look at this one. African horned cucumber, a gaka. It's yellow. There's this thing here. It's rotten. We call it chikofa. I don't know what do I call this in English, but it's chikofa. Chikofa. So, guys, we have some macadamia nut trees here, but look at this. When people were busy weeding the garden, they were coming with the weeds this side and they were just throwing the weeds, and they didn't even notice that they were busy closing this macadamia nut branch here. So let me try and remove the weeds on top of this branch. Look at this. Oh, shame. Poor macadamia nut. Oh, there are some thorns on this tree, on the leaves. So you need to be very, very careful if it means you are working with this tree. Because, I'm scared of these things. Yeah. Yes. Look at this. It's better. Yeah. At least it's better this way. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. The thorns on the tree leaves. Some thorns on these tree leaves. Look at this. Look at this. Small thorns, but they are dangerous. Yeah, I'm done here. We have 4 trees of macadamia nuts here. This one that I rescued. This one, the first one, and there's this one here, and another one there, and there is the last one this side. So yes, that's it, guys. That's what we have this side of the garden. So guys, look at this line. This is moa. If you know moa, it's a vegetable, and I've decided to plant moa here. It's moa. It's a very good vegetable. I really love to eat moa. Yes, as you can see, there is so many moa here. Let me uproot one so that I can show you, guys. Yes, look at this. This is a moa plant. It's green and it's the taste of moa is like if you eat moa, the taste is like a pumpkin leaves taste. Yes, if you know the taste of pumpkin leaves, you know the taste of moa. Yes, so let me show you guys my soursop first tree on the ground, but some of them are still in the papers. Let me just show you. So look at this. This is moa vegetable, bonongwe. Yeah, look at this. This is my soursop tree, the first tree on the ground. Yes, our garden's clean. It's weed free, guys. Look at this. Sugar cane there. We have some cove, 3 beds of cove. There's this one and that one. 1, 2, 3. There are some spring onions here. They are growing fast and healthy. And here, as you can see, we have tsunga here. This is tsunga, line of tsunga vegetable. We have peas, 2 beds of peas, this one and this one here. So guys, thank you so much for watching my garden update video. See you next time. Bye.